Hi guys. I wanted to show you this, but I don't know if you can see it very well. Let me see. There it is. Okay. This is a backdrop I use sometimes for my kids when we do pictures. And I wanted to show you how I did it because it's pretty simple and I think it turns out really pretty. So here goes. I use the push rods, which you push the rod in. It's the ones that you get at Walmart's, and you push them in, and that way they actually work. I use these string lights. I got them off of Amazon, and they come wrapped up in a ball, okay? And you have to like carefully unhook them, okay? So each one. Then I got these rings right here. I don't know if you can see them, but I got them from Walmart's in the drapery department. And you just squeeze them. It's like a little clip, and you squeeze the lights on them. It's pretty simple. I didn't want to go into a lot of detail because it's really simple. Anyway, I'm going to show you. See how, and they get caught together a lot, which you can see. So you have to unhook them again. Because they're twisted in a ball, they unhook. I'm going to see if I can. Let's see. All right, so you just untwist them. Anyway, it makes a really nice backdrop for pictures and birthdays, graduations, Christmas, all that stuff. So see how they get all twisted. Plus, I have a cat, and sometimes she gets into it also, or he gets into it. So I'm just going to untwist this somehow and pull this one through. You can see that. Okay, it's a little bit better. Anyway, all right, I'll work on that later because it does sort of twist. Not all of them twist, just the one that the cat runs through twists. So anyway, you can see how these sort of work. So, all right, I have the mirrored frame behind it because that makes it look nice too. Okay, the next thing is you get the same rod, which is the push rod, and you put a sheer curtain, which I also got. I got all this from Walmart, and you're going to just put it on the rod. So I'm going to put this one on the other side. And I usually put it in the second loop so you have a little bit of a frill up top. And I'm just going to thread it through. Sorry. It's kind of hard doing it by yourself, but don't all women do things by themselves? Unless your husband's home from work, then he can help. Okay, so there you go. And then it's a little heavy, so I'm going to put it in front of the lights. And I'm going to try to put it over top and sort of push it in. Just not stand up there. All right, there it is. I'm sorry, it just sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And I'm only one person, but you can see how this works. Okay, now I'm going to go in the other room and turn the lights on because the plug is not in here. And there you go. Right. look at it, you can see how pretty that is. Look how pretty. I love it. And it's got little controls so you can do different modes for your lights. You can do a slower pace. You can do the ones that slowly fade out. You can do the really blinky ones that would drive you crazy. You can do, this is the one that fades out, which is nice. Another set. And this is steady on. But isn't it beautiful? It is. So it didn't cost much to make. I think the lights were $10. The rods were probably $10. The little clips, maybe $2 or $3. And the curtains, I'm going to say $10 or $15. But I think it makes a beautiful backdrop for any pictures or just having a divider like what I did. It divides the dining room from this other room that I usually call it the game room because it's got a lot of games in it, and we have a TV in here. So let me know what you think in the comments. I love the way it looks. I think it's simple. You can like take your pictures like in front of it, see pictures in front, and that's a wonderful backdrop. So go have some fun with it. You could do a different color, like a sheer curtain that might be a different color, but I just use white. Anyway, thank you for watching. Share this. Please share this with your family and friends because look how gorgeous it is. It's gorgeous. You could do it for a wedding. You could do it for a shower, birthday parties, any time of the year. So thank you again for subscribing. And I really enjoy reading your comments. So please comment and have a great day.